Looking for a powerful, budget-friendly multi-tool? Meet the RYOBI PCL430B, part of the trusted 18-volt 1+ system. In this video, I'll break down the key features, pros and cons, performance, and whether this multi-tool is worth your money. Let's dive in. Key features. The RYOBI PCL430B is a cordless oscillating multi-tool designed for cutting, sanding, scraping, and more. Powered by RYOBI's 18-volt 1+ battery system. Here's what stands out. Up to 20,000 OPM. That's oscillations per minute, giving you enough speed and power for even tough materials. Lowest vibration in its class, which helps reduce fatigue during long sessions. An adjustable speed dial for better control across a wide range of materials. Drywall, wood, metal, plastic, composites. A built-in LED light to illuminate dark workspaces. Onboard Allen wrench storage for quick accessory changes. And best of all, it's compatible with most third-party multi-tool accessories. Includes a plunge cut blade, flush cut blade, sanding pad, and 3 sandpaper sheets to get you started. Performance and use cases. In real-world use, the RYOBI PCL430B handles light to medium-duty tasks like a champ. It breezes through drywall, trims wood cleanly, and can even take on small metal cuts with the right blade. Sanding tight corners or detailed trim. This tool's got the finesse for that. Need to plunge cut into drywall for electrical boxes? No problem. It's great for DIY projects, home repairs, furniture refinishing, or even hobby crafts. That said, if you're a contractor or doing daily demolition, you might crave a bit more torque. But for most homeowners and weekend warriors, the power here is more than sufficient. Pros: high performance with up to 20,000 OPM, low vibration and more comfort. LED light improves visibility, works with other brand accessories, part of the huge RYOBI 18-volt 1+ family. Cons: battery and charger sold separately. Toolless blade change would have been more convenient. Not ideal for heavy-duty, all-day professional use. Price and value. For around $80 to $100 depending on where you buy it, the PCL430B offers serious value. Especially if you already own RYOBI batteries. You're getting a capable, well-built multi-tool backed by a 3-year warranty. And it's part of a system with over 260 compatible tools. So, is the RYOBI PCL430B worth it? Absolutely! If you're a DIYer or homeowner looking for versatility without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tool reviews.